Okay, now since this is part 3 to what if Deku could control animals. So last part we left off after Deku take down the stain. So everyone comes back to school. They're gonna take their final exam. So they do the written part. Deku aces that because he has an animal come cheat off the smartest person and gets better than them and memorizes it. So after that they do the practical teachers versus students. So all the matchups are the same and stuff, but they all go the same besides Bakugo and Deku versus All Might. All Might gets... Also, Deku can have his animals use one for all, since they're, linked to him. So, he had 6 lions and 6 wolves with all full power D, 15% D-choice smashes ready. So, they all charged. Bakugo did his full explosion. Just wrecked All Might. And they got out easily. So... Also, one of the wolves finna backpod All Might across the face. So, now we're gonna do the training camp arc. So, Deku is training on his... And they meet the wild pussycats and get strapped into the forest. Deku turns into a wolf because it's his main habitat and just starts destroying every little beast and stuff because he's a natural animal and he has senses of that animal. So he starts doing that, destroying them and stuff. So when he gets there first by far. He gets there before Aizawa and the wild pussycats get there. So he's sitting there eating a piece of meat like a dog. And he's like, "Oh, hey, Mike." They're like, "How'd you get here?" "Dude, I turned into a wolf. It's my habitat." They're like, "Oh, okay." So they're all training and stuff. Everyone else gets there. Deku kind of becomes friends with Koda because Koda is, thinks Deku's quirk is cool because he can, summon animals and stuff. And so Koda has this big brother kind of relationship with Deku. So when, and Deku tells them about Monoma and Class 1B, and then he's like, "You're a jerk. You tried to bully my big brother." And it's like, big brother, and Deku walks up, and it's like, "Me." Like, what are you gonna do? He turns into a wolf. He's like, "Watch me." They're like, "Oh, no." They back off. So they back off. So after that, they're training and stuff. Koda's up at his secret hideout, but he lets Deku come with him, and they're hanging out there talking. Deku and him come back to the camp, and Koda goes alone the next time, and then the villains attack, and Deku's like, "Oh, big little brother," and he turns into a wolf. So, is that your iPhone? iPod?
No.
What is it?
Mom left it from here.
Ooh, okay. Could you go in the room, please?
You're making a recorder.
Deku just returned, is running to Koda, gets him, saves him from Muscular, and then Deku goes, "I gotta do it," and went, I'm gonna say he goes way too hard, because he almost killed Koda, he punched him and he almost went off the cliff, and Deku went 10,000,000% Detroit smash, and killed Muscular, went into the wall, but his arm was, messed up a lot, so he turned into a wolf, and he was Koda's "Big brother?" And Koda's "Big brother?" So he gets on top of him and walks back. So when we get there, let's say Recovery Girl is here too this time. So As he gets there, he drops Koda off. He recovery girl heals him, and he's like, "What's this wolf?" He turns his back into him. He's like, "Oh, please." He heals it. It's not permanent damage. He's like, "Yes." Then he just goes on a killing spree. He kills every villain there besides Dobby, Mr. Compress, Toga, and so yeah, those three are the only ones. And Bakugo does get captured, but when Deku goes full on Kylo Ren on the Force, he's like destroying it. Like there's claw marks and stuff. And you just hear like growls and roars and stuff when you come near the Force. So Aizawa and the Wild Pussycats are trying to get him to calm down, but they won't work. Aizawa may erase his quirk, but he blinks, he's gone. Boom! Gone. Deku's gone. So, he's doing like that for until they set up the strike and stuff. When they do, he transforms into he turns into this one, and they just see this when he gets there. And there's like, you hear the demonic growls and stuff. Like, what is that? And All Might's like, oh god, he's so mad. Don't mess with the wolf, dude. He'll kill you. Why? You know the lion there from the USJ incident? Yeah. That's him, but even angrier. So while that's going on, like, he's back, let's go. And he jumps through the window and time to die. And just massacres them. Let's say Shigaraki gets out, because back in the USJ, I think I had him almost killed, but he got away with Kirigiri. So, after that, they get Bakugo back and stuff, and then All Might fights All for One, and that stays the same. So, that's where I'm gonna end it off. So, see ya. Do wanna be ya? It's me, Matt Boss, out.